Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and we are here for our technical exercise series. We are on week 11. Oh, I can't believe we made it this far. It's been great. I've got another scale exercise for you today that I really think you're going to enjoy. Hopefully you've been working hard on exercises 1 through 10 and you are ready for a new one. You're building up strength. You're getting in the habit of practicing every day, and now you are ready for exercise number 11. Our hands are going to be playing unison again today, and that you might remember means that they're playing the same notes at the same time. So I'm going to take you through the right hand first, show you that we've got some interesting rhythms that we're going to do with this one, but mostly we're working on a C scale. And if you don't know how to play a C scale by now, which hopefully you should, we've had the C scale multiple times in our videos, I will put a link right here where you can watch my video on how to play the C scale if you need help with that. Okay, so we're going to be starting with both hands in C position. I'm going to show you the right hand first. We're going to start on middle C, and we're going to play a C scale like this. All the way up. Then when we get here, we're going to reach down and come back to C. So we're not going to play the scale coming down. We're just going to reach the octave. So let me show you what the rhythm sounds like. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and hold it out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we're going to do that 2 more times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and last time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now when we get here, we're going to play the C and we're going to hold it for 2.5 beats like this. 1 and 2 and 3, and then we're going to play this B A B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Then we're going to hold for a whole note. 2, 3, 4. So that ending is just C B A B C. B, A, B, C. And the rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right, so I'm going to do the whole exercise counting the rhythm with just the right hand one more time, and then we're just simply going to add the left hand because it's going to do the exact same thing. Goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put hands together. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2, 3, 4. There you go. That's exercise 11. Now, what you can do, if that gets easy, once you get, and remember, if it is hard, definitely practice hands separately. Definitely, you can even practice the left hand. I didn't demonstrate that, but you can practice the left hand by itself as well until you're ready to put it together. When you get really comfortable with that, then you can go back and repeat all the quarter notes and the eighth notes as staccatos. I would still keep holding out all the half notes and the whole notes. So let me show you what that would look like staccato. It would sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, so play it first time through legato and then repeat staccato. There we go. We're all the way at exercise 11. Guess what? Next week is our last exercise in our first group. So thank you for joining me for Book 1, Group 1, exercise number 11. I will look forward to seeing you next week. Bye-bye.